Hello, the name's Max. This is No Code Nerd, and we're talking about Circle today. So Circle, basically, is just an amazing community tool. If you've seen things like Discord or just like these online forums where you can just have your people, your memberships, your content, just a place where you can host a community. Circle is like the number one tool to do that. It is the high priced, high quality, amazing, do it all kind of platform. It can do memberships, it can do discussions and conversations. You can host content there. You can even live stream directly to the actual platform, which is just nutty. It's really, really cool stuff. It's really, really, really cool stuff. So if you need a really, really high quality community where you want to host awesome people doing awesome things all at the same time and have all of your tools that you need embedded in one thing, just the full service kind of just done for you, check out Circle. Circle's awesome. Cool. Let me know if you have any questions about your community and how it could work with Circle, something like that. And I'll see you in the next episode.